In this lesson, we are going to learn about some simple methods to load data into delta tables. We will go through the insert into command, insert override, merge into, and copy into commands. Let us start with the sample datasets. I will execute this cell. I have created two sample datasets for this practical: computer accessories 1 table and computer accessories 2 table. The table has the ID, part, quantity, and the audit date time in the epoch long format. Similarly, the computer accessories 2 table has the same format but some different data. So first is using the create or replace table to create and insert the data. So this statement will create the table if the table does not exist. The command is create or replace table, the table name, this is the schema, the table name, and select star comma. We are creating another column, current timestamp function. The column name is inserted timestamp, and we will be using the output of this to create and replace the table bronze accessories. Let us now see the output of the table. So the table schema was created and we can see the data has been inserted from accessories 1 table, and it also has in total 10 records now. Let us append more records into this table. We will use insert into command, insert into table name, and we are now inserting the data from accessories 2 table. I will execute this command and then analyze the output. You can see 10 records has again been inserted into the bronze accessories table, and these were from accessories 2. Let us view the output. We can see now there are in total 20 records in the table. Next is use insert override to truncate and insert the data. So earlier we used insert into to append the records. Now we are going to use insert override. You might ask, what is the difference between insert into and insert override statement? The insert override command will first truncate the data and then insert the data. However, insert into command will append the records. The old record in the table will still persist and the new records will only be added to the table. So insert override again will truncate and insert the data. This command cannot create the table. The table has to exist, and this command will fail if the input schema of the data does not match with the existing schema of the table. This command is faster than the merge operation, because in merge it will compare and update, insert or delete the records. However, this operation will simply replace the data. Let us now use the insert override command to insert data into the bronze accessories table. I will execute this query. The query has executed. You can see 10 records have been inserted. Let us analyze the output of this table. Here is the output, and we can see the table has only 10 records. The previous or the existing records were truncated and the new records have been inserted. Let us view the history of this table. We created this table using create or replace, and then further operations were performed. So the history is not truncated. Let us now understand merge into statement. Merge into updates, insert or deletes as per the matching or the unmatching records, and these are completed in a single transaction. We need not to write separate commands for insert, update or delete. It avoids duplication. There can be multiple conditions that can be specified into the merge statements, such as a field should not be null, or a field is null then do not insert, a field is null then delete, or some date should be greater than XYZ. Any condition can be specified. Next, it provides extensive operations for implementing custom logic, which means we can have the complex queries, and the result of the complex queries can be used into merge into statement. We can have joins with multiple tables and the conditions as well. Let us merge the records from accessories 2 table into accessories 1. So we will see the output of the accessories 1 table first. It has 10 records, and the output of accessories 2 table, it also has 10 records. There are 2 records in each of these 2 tables, which are external drive and headphones part, which exist in both the tables. It exists in accessories 2 as well. So we will use the when matched or when not matched in the merge into statement to decide what to be done with these 2 records. So when these 2 records are matched, the part is matched between these 2 tables, we will add the quantities from both these 2 tables. However, if there is no matching part, we will simply insert the records from table 2 into table 1. The command is merge into accessories 1 using accessories 2. We are matching the part when matched, then and the quantity is not null. Then update the quantity, add both the quantities. Otherwise, insert the records from table 2 to table 1. The query has executed successfully. We can see 2 records have been updated, 0 deleted, and 8 records have been inserted. Let us review the output of this query. We can see we have in total 18 records, and the 2 records, the part was common, external drive and the headphones, the quantities has been added up. That's all for this lecture. Thank you.